Hello and welcome to the Great Dumbarton Bake Off. My name is Mary and I'm the Public Programs Manager for Dumbarton House, and today I'll be showing you how to make huckleberry muffins. This recipe is from the Williamsburg Art of Cookery. It was adapted in 1938 from an even older recipe. Let's get started. I don't know about you guys, but I couldn't find huckleberries at the grocery store, so we're trying blueberries instead. Save a couple blueberries for the baker's assistant. So this recipe says to bake the muffins in a moderate oven, and it doesn't give me a time. So I'm putting them in at 325, and I'll check on them in 15 minutes. I'll let you know how it turns out. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's see how they look. They're coming along nicely, but I'm gonna leave them in for about 5 more minutes so they get a little bit more color. After half an hour in the oven, these muffins are coming out beautifully, and I am so excited to try one. Okay, the moment of truth has arrived. Let's see if it's a good bake. Ooh, it's a little doughy in the bottom. They could use a few more minutes in the oven, but I'm gonna eat this top part anyway.